Traditional applications have two environments, client and server. Client environment is made up of end-user devices. Client primarily runs user interfaces. Server environment runs business logic and hosts a central database. Business logic cannot run on the client because the client is not trusted by businesses. Beyond Decentralized provides a secure environment right on user devices. This is possible because databases reside locally on user devices. Beyond Decentralized apps run their business logic against local databases. Because there is one database per device, all apps on that device use it. This enables apps to work together. Beyond Decentralized uses relational databases. In these databases, data is organized into tables. Tables are data groups that relate to each other. This automatically makes data stored in relational databases easier to understand and use. In Beyond Decentralized, these relational databases run locally on user devices. Each application has its own tables. Those tables are then referenced in tables of other apps, which in turn are referenced by tables of more apps. Thus, data is stored cooperatively across tables of many applications. To keep data safe, applications are isolated from the database. Applications access a database via a security filter. They are also isolated from each other. Applications can read from tables of other applications. Applications cannot write to tables of other applications. They must call the business logic of the applications that own the tables to write to those tables. This promotes cooperation across applications. With Beyond Decentralized, data resides on user devices. Data is not sent to third-party application servers. Data is synchronized between user devices via shared file systems. Beyond Decentralized uses independently operated file systems by default. Beyond Decentralized provides a layer on top of shared file systems to securely share data between devices. To be shared, data is split into virtual repositories. Repositories are completely independent of each other. Each repository is shared separately. Repositories allow users to participate in multiple groups. Each repository contains only the data of the group to which it belongs. Most programmers use relational databases with well-known patterns. Beyond Decentralized is designed to be familiar to most programmers. Beyond Decentralized mission is enabling fair data ownership and independent software development. Fair data ownership can be attained by keeping meaningful data in users' hands. With Beyond Decentralized, independent applications cooperate with each other.